between 1 and 1.5 inches.
National Weather Service introduces issues a flash flood warning for Hardin County, Illinois, northwestern Massachusetts, Illinois, Hope County, Illinois, until 4:45 a.m. Saturday. At 10:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rose Eclair, Delconda, Dixon Springs, New Columbia, Eddyville, Carver Bridge and Grove. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: Hardin, Massac, and Pope. Rose Eclair, Delconda, Dixon Springs, New Columbia, Eddyville, Carver Bridge and Grove. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: Hardin, Massac, and Pope.